What's going on YouTube? This is DLH, Dumb Luck Hunter with Coach Morstead. I got the boys out. We're doing some fishing. We got to change in things. We were hunting and doing deer fishing and deer hunting. Now we're doing some trout fishing. So let's see what happens. I got the knucklehead Grayson. We already just put his stuff out. He's already got 2 hits, and we'll see what happens. I hadn't even had a chance to put my rod in the water yet, but here we go.
Hey, Dad.
So pay attention.
Peace.
Yeah, there's the dork. Peace. All right, here we go.
Can I put my rod in there?
What? No.
What was weird?
Anyway, I don't know what's going on here. So we'll see what happens, and hopefully we'll get you guys on video with one of us catching a fish. So hopefully this ain't like deer hunting and don't get nothing.
Hi.
Here we go. Talk to you in a bit. He has a second name. It's M-A-Y-E-R. I love to eat it every day. This is what I'll say. Oscar Mayer has a useful G-N-A. There, I sang the fishing song.
I'm going to say a prayer.
Fishy, 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 fishy. Say it. Now, with the fishing song and definitely the prayer, we gonna catch something now, watch. And not a cold.
My prayer worked.
That'd be awesome. Watch that rod. That'd be cool.
It's great. Then I'm shocked and I catch the rod and only us
It's happening. Because you look where everybody else is at that south end. What did it say?
We're getting fish.
Cast your nets on the other side of the boat and see what happens.
You get a fish.
What happens? I think about fish.
Dad,
What?
was that in John 17?
It was in one of them. So
John.
here we
I
go.
knew it was in John. And oh, it was John 20. It was John 20 and it was 20 through
Hey, you
24.
got it, dude. Whatever you think, you the man.
Hey, if we use a rod, we have this one.
Fishy.
Dad,
Come on,
if we
fish.
use a rod, we have this one.
We'll see what happens. It's going slow.
Dad,
Alright, well anyway, just as I told you guys nothing was happening, I just got a big bite. And like hunting, dumb luck, I missed. So, we'll see what happens. I'll keep you on for a minute. You never know, because they may move on to Grayson's fish.
Dad,
Or Mr. Man over there.
Dad.
What? Why don't you wait and find out? Now that I got a bite, you might end up getting a bite. You might get a bite. Just chill out for a minute. Yeah, you never know. Let's find out. Alright, here we go. I'm going to cast it out again.
Dad got his first bite. Right up.
I don't care. Yep, you do. It's called that twig right there in front of you. He snagged on a twig right in front of him. Hang on. Okay, we're good. Go ahead, reel. Just reel in, dude. I know, he's all hanging on like he's caught something. Just reel it in. You'll know if you got a fish or not. Little boy wonder. Anyway.
I did have a bite.
Nope, you didn't. Nope, snag.
There was?
Yeah.
I had one?
Yeah.
I need to look better care of it.
That's what I was telling you. Keep your eye on it.
I got seaweed.
Yeah.
I did have something.
Yeah, you did have something. Seaweed.
Yeah. That's my
Well.
fish.
I think if we put a little salt and pepper on that seaweed, it might taste pretty good. What?
Can I cast it?
Let me do it. Because, like I said, with that wind blowing the way it is, I don't need you zipping it into Adrian's hand. Well, it's getting almost dark. The light is not very good. We're going to be wrapping it up real quick. So if we get a fish, I'll show you a picture of it. But other than that, I think we're done. So anyway, I hope to show you guys some fish and hope to catch some fish. But anyway, we'll talk at you later.
We don't know.
A couple of weeks later.
What's up, DLH Nation? It's Coach Morstead, and we are fishing today. It is a beautiful day. It's about 50, 55 degrees. We're in t-shirts. That's right, t-shirts. And we're having some fun fishing, and I think we had the rod in the water for literally about 10 minutes. And this dude right here decides he wants to catch a monster. So let's go see what this monster looks like here. And Mr. Adrian here catching the first fish. That's right, it's DLH Nation. We're fishing today, and he didn't just catch a fish. This dude caught a big fish, and we're going to show you right now. Mr. Adrian, pull up your fish. Let's see what you got. Go ahead, pick it up. Holy cow, look at that dude. That thing is big. Look at that. That is a nice trout. Hey, Mr. Adrian, what do you think about it? Did you have fun?
Yes.
Cool. Awesome. So we are here at Icy Park, and we're just shaking the dirt off and having some fun fishing. So have fun. Check it out. All right. So typical dumb luck fashion, ladies and gentlemen. Two things. I forget my memory card for my camera. So this is all done by phone and GoPro. And number two, like an idiot, I forget my fishing license. So I cannot fish. So I'm gonna let the June bug over here do all the fishing and catching all the fish until my license gets here. So that's the man of the hour right there. He's gonna have to do it until Grayson and everybody else gets here. So I'm not fishing until my license gets here. Talk to you later. I'm not breaking the law. I told you I would never do it. Talk to you later. What's up, DLH Nation? It's been a good day. We got out, did some fishing. We caught two really nice ones. Very nice trout. Adrian caught one. I caught one. Hopefully we get it. Grayson one. They're not tearing it up crazily, but hey, we got to get out, and that's all that matters. And we got to have some fun. And like I said, true to form with the DLH, the Dumb Luck Hunter. Again, I forgot my card, my SD card for my big camera, and forgot my fishing license, which my wife, who's awesome, took pictures of it and sent it to me. So we're good, and I'm legal again. So it's just been a great day, and honestly, it's been a great day, and God's blessed us, and hopefully we get at least one more before it's time to go, which we got about 10 minutes because I don't think the light's going to be out too much longer. So anyway, it's been a good one. So y'all take her easy, and it's starting to get cold. That's what that was. That was a chill. Talk to you later. All right, last thing that we got to do whenever we fish,
the Dumb Luck Hunter style is we got to kiss the fish that we caught. So,
You go first, Grayson.
nope, you're the one that you started it. You finish it. There you go. He got it. Your turn.
Your turn.
Come on, Grayson. Come on. Come on.
I only done it once. I know what to do.
Dude, come on, man.
Go.
Come on. Man up. Come on.
Boy, I can see more fish.
Come on.
If I keep my smile.
Come on.
Don't bite
Grayson, seriously. Get it. Come on.
Go get it, Grayson.
Come on.
Okay.
All right, fine.
Aaron Morstad's
Grayson's
son
the weenie here.
Is okay.
Grayson, all right, here you go. Come on.
Grayson.
There we go. Good job. That's right. We kissed the fish.
You didn't.
Yes, I did too. All right, what's going on, DLH Nation? This is Coach Morstead, and we have prepared the 2 trout that we caught last night. Yep, and what we did is we brined it in salt water, honey, sugar, okay? And what that does is it draws out all that yuck and stuff, and it also allows the smoke to adhere, because we're going to smoke these trout, and we'll see how it works out. And bear with me, and I'll show you here shortly when I put them in the smoker. Talk to you in a minute. Ladies and gentlemen, we just got done putting the trout in the smoker on pecan wood and apple wood, and we got it turned down way down to low. And yeah, that smoker looks like it's old and rusty, but it's a goodie. So, and we're gonna let that go for about 4 to 6 hours is what they said, on a low temperature. And I'll show you the after product here shortly. YouTubers and DLH Nation, let's find out what our trout look like, our smoked trout. Woo, look at that. That is purty. That's all I got to say about that. And that is exactly what they're supposed to look like. And let's hope they taste good too. So we shall see. We'll close that up and talk to you in a minute. What's going on, DLH Nation? It's Coach Morstead. Hey, real quick, I just want to let you know about the smoked trout yesterday. I'm not a fish eater, and I really don't like fish, but I will tell you that was good, and that was very, very palatable. And I suggest that you guys try that if you don't like fish, because if you smoke them, it's amazing. Where did I get the recipe from? I got the recipe from Meat Eaters, Steve Ranello, his book, and also his TV show that I saw. They had an episode of cooking fish and stuff like that. So just want to let you know, that's where I got the recipe from. It turned out amazing. I actually made a smoked trout dip that I found on Pinterest, and it was a great recipe, and I will do it again. And even my kids destroyed it. That's the thing, is Grayson, he's a picky eater. He does not eat a lot of things, but that dude smoked a bunch of that trout. And I don't mean smoked it as cooked it, I mean smoked it as ate it. And so all the other kids enjoyed it, and so that was very pleasant and very good. And I'm glad they did, because that just encourages me to get them out more to go fishing, because now they're willing to eat it. And that's one reason why I kind of hesitated, because, you know, anyway, so just wanted to touch base with you guys real quick, and hopefully you guys enjoy this fishing video. And next time, hopefully I won't be doing the Dumb Luck Hunter thing and forgetting crap. So yeah, we'll see. Probably not. I'll probably forget everything again. So anyway, y'all have an awesome day. Talk to you later. Bye.